हाय स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल गेट इन बायो वर्ल्ड। प्लीज़ लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। सो गाइस, आवर टुडेज टॉपिक इज फॉर्म्स ऑफ डीएनए. नाउ we'll see keywords of the forms of DNA. Most common form of DNA, which has right-handed double helix, was proposed by scientists Watson and Crick. And these Watson and Crick proposed the model of the DNA double helix structure, which is called as B form of DNA, and it's also called as the bDNA. These DNA exist in other forms also. That's why we will see one by one in detail. First of all, we see first B form of DNA, which is also called bDNA, and it's proposed by the model of double helical structure of DNA by scientists Watson and Crick. This model is present in every cell at very high humidity. It is present in every cell at high humidity at 92% and very low concentration of ions. Now, it has anti-parallel double helix rotating clockwise right hand and made up of the sugar phosphate backbone with nitrogenous bases. Means this double helical structure consists of the two strands of the DNA, which is anti-parallel with each other. Means both strands are present parallel, but they are opposite with each other. Means one strand consists of 5' end to 3' end, and another strand consists of 3' to 5' end. Now, this rotating in clockwise direction, and this made up of sugar phosphate backbone. Means they sugar and the phosphate are arranged alternatively with each other, and these two strands are arranged by a ladder, and this ladder is made up of the nitrogenous bases, means pyrimidine and the purine bases. These base pairs tilt to the helix by 6.3 degrees Celsius, and these base pair tilt to helix by 6.3 degree. Now, it is metabolically stable and undergo changes to A, C or D forms. The B form of DNA is metabolically stable and undergo changes into another forms of DNA, means A form DNA, C form DNA or a D form DNA, depending on the sequence of nucleotides. Means the nucleotide sequence are the basis of formation of A, C, D forms of DNA, and concentration of the excessive salt. Both are the basis of the formation of different forms of DNA. Now, next one is the A form of DNA. This A form of DNA is found at 75% of relative humidity in the presence of sodium, potassium or cesium ion. Means A form of DNA present at the relative humidity, which is 75%, but it is present of the ion, which is sodium, potassium or cesium. Now, this A form of DNA contain the 11 base pair as compared to the 10 base pair of bDNA. In the B form of DNA, the 10 base pairs are present per turn of nucleotide, but in the A form of the DNA, only 11 base pairs are present, and this base pair are tilt by the helix by 20.2 degree. That's why the depth of the major groove get increases and the minor groove get decreases. Means these are the structure of DNA, and in this structure major grooves and some minor grooves are present. Due to the increase in the number of the 11 base pair, this depth of the major groove get increase and the minor groove get decreases. मीन्स जो ज़्यादा है मेजर ग्रूव है वो क्या हो जाएगा और इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, ग्रूव में इंक्रीमेंट होगा, और उसके और जो माइनर ग्रूव है उसमें डिक्रीमेंट होगा, मीन्स दे गेट डिक्रीज. सो our next point is C form of DNA, which is also called as cDNA. Now, it is found at 66% relative humidity in presence of the only lithium ions, and as compared to A and B form of DNA, cDNA consists of the 8 base pair per turn, which is less, means 28/3 or 9/1/3, and the base pair show pronounced negative tilts, means 7.8 degree. अभी क्या शो करेगा? इट शोज नेगेटिव टिल्ट, मीन्स -7.8 degree are present, और इन कंपेरिजन ऑफ A and B form of DNA, it show the less base pair, and it consists of the only lithium ion presence and 66% relative humidity. That's why it is found only at this characteristics. Now, another form of DNA is the D form, and it is also called ddNA, and is rarely found in extreme variants. That's why it consists of only base pair per turn, which is 8 and therefore it shows 8-fold symmetry, and it's also called as poly-DADT or poly-DAG-DG-DC forms. And it shows the tilt of base pair, which is pronounced as a negative tilt, and this negative tilt are minus 16.7 degree. Now next is the Z form of DNA, and this Z form of DNA, which is also called as zDNA, and it is opposed to the B form of DNA or bDNA. In 1979, the Rich and his co-worker at MIT obtained the zDNA by artificially synthesizing the DCG3 molecules in the form of crystals. They show the zDNA in the form of crystal, and they obtain these artificially synthesizing DCG3 molecules. And they proposed a left-handed double helix model with zigzag sugar phosphate backbone in an anti-parallel direction. The B form of DNA, which is present in the right-handed double helical molecule, but the Z form of DNA, which is present at the left-hand double helix model with zigzag शुगर फास्फेट बॉन्ड. इसमें कैसा होता है, शुगर और फास्फेट, शुगर फास्फेट का बैकबोन होता है विच इज प्रेजेंट इन अ zigzag मैनर. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज Z form of DNA, and it is run in anti-parallel direction. Means both strands are present in parallelly but move in opposite direction. Means one parallel move as 5' end to 3' end, and the another move in 3' end to 5' end. Understand? Now next, therefore the DNA has been termed as a zDNA, which is found in the number of the living organisms and including mammals, protozoans, and several plant species.